Welcome to this special episode of Frequency Matters, the RF and Microwave Update series. I'm Pat Hindle, and I'm talking with Chris Day, Director of Product Line Engineering, CATV Amplifiers, Richard Marlowe, Global Market Manager for Telecom, Broadcom Optical, and CATV, and Steve Scheinkoff, Vice President of Technical Marketing, Core Business Unit, all at MiniCircuits. Welcome, guys.
Thank you.
Hello.
So we saw last month about MiniCircuits acquisition of Analog Devices CATV amplifier business. So to start with, Steve, maybe you can give us a little more background on how this came about.
Sure. Pat, as part of acquisitions, there are several key factors, one being culture and the other being alignment with the product lines. And this acquisition really fits both of them. The culture, as I've known Chris for the last 30, 35 years, from his days at HP and then Harmonic and then One Tree and Triaxis, there's really a great synergy between us. And as well as Chris really has some of the qualities that the founder of MiniCircuits, Harvey Cayley, brought to the company and to the business. And we really feel that alignment and that culture of a customer-first focus. And that's real important. Plus, the products are really synergistic with my product line and the products that MiniCircuits are making. And to put those together makes a real powerful impact on our customers. And it's ready to really define what our customers need and give them a strong product that would help their product be better. So with those two aspects, I think it was a great acquisition by MiniCircuits, and I'm really happy to be a part of it.
So Chris, how does it feel to be part of the MiniCircuits family?
That's great. It's been a couple weeks now, but my relationship with MiniCircuits goes back 30 plus years working at HP as a design engineer, designing in MiniCircuits mixers into V&A work I was doing. So, I've known the quality of MiniCircuits and the customer focus and support. So very much aligned to that, having come from HP, that's really my DNA with the HP way and so forth. So really happy to be part of the team and looking forward to great success.
And Rich, so what are MiniCircuits' plans for the CATV broadband market? How does this acquisition of the Santa Rosa team change your strategy?
Well, we've really been focused on the evolution of the DOCSIS market, so the move to DOCSIS 4.0 and the higher speeds and the higher capacities that are needed by the network operators. So obviously adding the active amplifiers to our passive product portfolio is a great benefit to us. So we've seen certainly network operators investing more and more now, to improve the competitive performance of their networks, the wired networks, against fiber and fixed wireless access. And there's been a lot of, there's an upgrade required in the system, I would say, and it's been ready to come and it's going to be launching. We're going to see this over the next 5 to 10 years. And really, we're going to be at the heart of that activity, driving the rollout with faster speeds, particularly the upstream stuff, for two-way video communication, interactive gaming, etc. So really our emphasis, it's on, more efficient products and higher data rates, and that fits right in with what MiniCircuits is in our DNA.
And Chris, can you tell us a little bit about the technology you developed there in Santa Rosa? What do your organization and your operation look like?
Sure. Fundamentally, we make amplifiers very broadband, 5 megahertz to 1800 megahertz, so exceptionally broadband with very high levels of linearity. It really is the name of the game. And P1 dBs are typically around 2 watts or more. Output IP3s are in the mid 50s, so very high linearity, high efficiency, trying to minimize power consumption along the way. We combine GAS and GaN device in our roadmap. Primarily, we're using GaN for output devices. And we focus a lot on combining the passive transformers that MiniCircuits has provided to us in the past, optimizing those designs concurrently with the amplifier and with the GaN elements in the amplifier. As far as our team, we're going to have a full team in Santa Rosa that's going to combine design and product engineering, combining marketing and applications, as well as program management functions. So a full team under one roof. So we're really looking forward to, serving the market real efficiently with our setup here.
And Rich, how have your customers responded to this news so far?
Oh, very positively. I mean, we've been an existing supplier in this market for some time, so we're well established. We know a lot of the customers, and they're really thrilled that we're investing, in new technology to improve our technology offerings. So overall, very positive, and yeah, we're looking forward to growing our business together with our customers.
And then Steve, and then Chris, what can we expect to see on the horizon from MiniCircuits in the 75 ohm world?
Well, you're going to see more products, better products, whether it's transformers, couplers, splitters, chokes, and we're going to work with our customers to optimize the passives in interaction with those actives to give them a superior solution. So you're going to see a lot of new products and a lot more in customer engagement to really help us drive the products that are needed for this market and the DOCSIS 4.0 rollout that Rich has just talked about.
Yeah, I would say the 4.0 rollout is really front and center in our thinking and how we could best serve that. A lot of focus on reducing the power consumption in the network through more efficient amplifiers, or in some cases, just providing a higher level of RF output to make the rollout of 4.0 easier. So it's really about higher levels of performance, higher levels of efficiency, using the latest technology and combining the passives and actives, as Steve mentioned.
So Steve, where do you think this technology is heading for the future?
Well, in addition to being strong in the cable TV market, we all see applicability to military radios where they are broadband and need high IP3 and IP2 performance. These amplifiers exemplify themselves in that area and would be a great addition as we branch into the 50 ohm world.
Well, it sounds like a winning team. So thanks, Chris, Rich, and Steve, for talking with me today about the CATV market. We really appreciate your insights. And to our audience, you can find more videos at videos.microwavejournal.com. Thanks for watching.